Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'll be going over my trading performance of August 2025. So, all right, let's take a look. In total, I made 40% since October 13th, which is good, of course. On average, I make on a daily basis 0.11%, monthly 3.27%, and my highest drawdown ever was 8.85%. Yeah, these results are quite good. I'm happy, I'm satisfied with it. Currently, I'm in a small drawdown, which is about 4.5%. Yeah, it's not a big deal, I think. Hopefully I will get out of this soon. Yeah, so every single month I deposit some money because I consider this trading account as a high risk savings account. Yeah, let's call it like that. High risk savings account. So every single month I deposit some money and I let my trading robot that I developed, I let the trading robot trade and make me on average about 3% a month, which is really nice, and it's also quite a lot. Over here, we see that this month I made 3.45%. So a little bit more than the average, which is 3.27. So I'm satisfied. Profitability is over 86% win rate. Also, I'm satisfied with that. The profit factor is also quite high, 3.15, which is really a lot. Normally it's between 1 and 1.5, 2, but yeah, it's quite high. It's also because of the nice profitability with not a lot of trades that I close in loss. So let's take a look. We go down. We see here the monthly analytics. So I started in October 2024. 1.26% gain, 96%, and 1.83. And I was like, okay, these results are nice. These results are okay. Of course, almost 2%, 1.5 on average, 1.6 on average percent. But I was like, of course, these numbers are nice, and especially if you have, let's say, 1 million on your balance, then these are nice, good results. But if you don't have 1 million yet, then you need to take a little bit more risk in order to get some nice absolute results. And so I increased the risk a little bit, but more in a horizontal way instead of a vertical way. I adjusted the robot settings and my strategy, and as you can see, from January we see nice moves, nice results, nice performances. 5.17, highest was 5.46. Then went a little bit down these months. The volatility was really high. So then you can see that the results are higher than on average. And 4.57, 3.31 last month, and this month 3.45. So my goal, I aim to make about 3% a month. So currently these results are quite good. Let's take a look. These are the pairs that I traded this month: Old New Zealand, Euro CAD, Euro GBP, GBP out, New Zealand CHF, and gold. So Sol USD. Over here you can see mostly I traded GBP out and Euro CAD, and the least was gold and Euro GBP. And average holding. So as you can see, I'm currently in a drawdown for about a month, almost 3 weeks. 3 weeks. a little bit over 3 weeks, which is for some people a lot. Personally, I mean, I don't look at it every single day, every single minute at the charts. So it's basically automated, and I mean, I have confidence that in a few weeks, maybe months, maybe years. I don't think it would take years, but let me put it like this: if it would take me 1 year, I don't mind, right? I just look at the big picture. So in the long run, then I'm sure that the EA will, the expert advisor, the robot, will close the trades in profit or in a loss. But I don't mind, I have just 100% peace of mind, and we will see what will happen. But yeah, as you can see over here, these are it took me 1 day, 4 hours, 2 days, something like that, 2 days, and this is a little bit 3 weeks, over 3 weeks, or almost 3 weeks, but it's okay, and I have confidence that it will be alright. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hopefully I will make 3% next month again, and we will see.